Greetings. I want to invite you to come and join us for the Jesus Signs Immersion workshop. What is that? We have been setting up in July for 1 week where we come together in St. Louis, and for the whole week we immerse ourselves into sign language. And it doesn't matter what level you are, because we have our deaf group. So if you are deaf, come and join with us, and we will give you resources and train you and equip you to be able to share your faith. But then also, we have for hearing people, whether you're a beginning and you don't know how to sign, or you know some, or you are an interpreter, we welcome you to come and learn the signs, but also the religious vocabulary. So you can come, and wherever you are working, you will be able to begin sharing your faith. Because I'll tell you, a lot of people, they learn the signs in the world, but where do you learn the religious vocabulary? Where do you learn how to share, like creation, 3 and 3, and share it visually? Where do you learn how to describe the Trinity? Did God make you 3 in 1? And the answer is yes. And so that's what we want to invite you to come. Come and learn God's Word. Come and immerse yourselves a week with us, and just have fun. We have classes, we have skits, we have what? First of all, we have the relationships. That's the most important when you come. You get to meet people and have relationships. And we have fun. We have fun with each other. And also, we learn Jesus. So those are the things, and this is more important. We learn Jesus, but we have fun, but those relationships. So we look forward to your coming and joining with us and having that relationship with Him as we develop that relationship with each other. We look forward to seeing you soon. We love you guys.